Do you also set alarm for your morning schedule? From tomorrow, I will wake up early in the morning at 5 a.m. But your habit is waking up early at 8 a.m. in the morning. What will happen at this point for one day, today, you will manage that you will able to wake up at 5 a.m. But your body becomes used to wake up at 8 a.m. in the morning. So after 2 and 3 days, your body bent back and they will again start waking up early at 8 a.m. So let's talk about the psychology of waking up early in the morning. When you are waking up early at 8 a.m. in the morning and your body used to be at 8 a.m. So what you need to do if you want to wake up at 5 a.m. in the morning, you just need to set your alarm at 7:50. For the first week, you have to wake up every single day at 7:50. So after 1 week, you have to reduce the timer like 7:50 to 7:40. So for the next 7 days, you have to wake up at 7:40 in the morning. So like this way, you have to reduce the timer and your body becomes used to wake up at that time which you have. So this is the right way to wake up early in the morning. If you want to change your habit, you just need to follow this way. Second, you want to add new habits in your life. Before adding these new habits, your body used to be scrolling through social medias, talking to your friends, talking in your family members, and you are spending your time like this way. And suddenly you just make a schedule that I have to do this work for 2 hours in a day. I have to read books for 5 pages per day. But your body used to be for scrolling social medias and doing time pass on social medias. And suddenly you shape your body to condition through unconditional. So here, what will happen? Your body stop following your schedule after 2 and 3 days. So again, I want to tell you that if you want to shift your body to change, to adopt some new habits in your life, you have to give them first a small like I just if you want to add good habits of book reading in your life, first you tell your mind that I have to read 2 pages per day. So this is how you gonna adapt this habit, because if you tell your brain to read only 2 pages per day, so your mind think that it's so easy, it's only 2 pages, so let's read it, because our mind's behavior is doing the things which is easy. We just feel that this is the easy things and I will do this, because when our minds do easy things, so from here a dopamine release, and just because of that dopamine our mind get happiness, and that's why it's inspire us to do this work again, and again. So the things you need to follow, just make if you want to adapt any habit, make it easy so that your mind give focus on that work, and slowly it will adopt that thing. So this is how you gonna add any habits in your life. And if you want to videos like this on self improvement, so I will bring is an every week a new video on self improvement. So you can also subscribe to my channel for more videos, and let me know in the comment section that what is the habits that you gonna add in your life from tomorrow. Remember, you have to add it from easy to hard.